What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for PayPal holdings with the ticker symbol PYPL. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So the last time I looked at PayPal was last week, Saturday, and you can see that since then, obviously today was continuation towards the measure move target that I had. Market generally moves in twos. You can see there was one leg up right here. Price pulled back. It made the second leg up. Let me go and move that channel back. So I made one leg up right over here. Second leg up started after the pullback was over, and looks like it's targeting right around the $65 level. And we're almost there. We hit the 64.18 today. That was the high. So we're also above the EMA and also this micro swing right here. So this is showing a little bit of strength for the upside. We're also kind of following this yellow uptrend channel. So either way, what am I seeing on the chart? I'm seeing bullish imbalance. I'm seeing buying pressure. I'm seeing that the bulls want to continue pushing up the price as they're in the short term or as of right now. So there's a good chance that's expected to continue because the target isn't met yet. We're not really seeing any signs of weakness as of right now. Maybe a little bit of selling pressure today, but that's still not anything to get worried about for the bulls. So I'm expecting more upside. And this looks pretty good for the 65 level. That is the target, and maybe even the 67 if the market is really optimistic. But as of right now, that's what I'm seeing. Price, has been going up since it made a double bottom back here at the $60 level. I know this isn't like a textbook double bottom, but again, it doesn't have to be perfect. The market is not perfect at all. So this is still considered a double bottom. Sometimes you'll see double bottoms that are kind of lopsided, something like this. That I would probably still consider that a double bottom in most cases. So again, it's not always going to be a perfect, M formation or a same thing in a double bottom, a W formation. Sometimes it will be a little wonky, but either way, if you can still recognize the picture, then it can still act as the picture or the pattern either way. So I'm expecting higher prices. This is still looking pretty good, since the last time I looked at it. Unless something drastically changes in the chart, it is looking like it's slowly working up to the 65 level and then maybe even the 67. And if price can break this trend line that I have, we might be seeing a permanent bottom for PayPal. It might continue in a complete reversal or a long-term uptrend. Right now, this is a short-term uptrend because that can get rejected from the 67 or 69 level because those are resistances in the way. But if we want to see a sustainable long-term uptrend, like let me show you guys in the past, something like this, then, we need to start breaking trend lines and breaking resistance and creating support. So this is what you want to see, over here. Right now, it's still looking kind of bearish overall. But it's a good sign that, we did see a double bottom for the bulls. And also the measure move target is not being obtained right now at the 52 level. The bears are trying to reach that target. So if the bulls don't let them reach it, that's a good sign. And that shows strength to the upside. So right now, PayPal is looking bullish, at least in the short term. And I'll be expecting more upside. Here's the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows overall bearish downside because we're still below the EMA on the weekly chart. We're still inside this downward trend line. And we're still below the 67 level. That was prior support. Now it can be acting as resistance. So there's still a long-term resistance in the way that PayPal is going to be facing. So at least in the short term, I'm saying it's going to go up because that's what it's doing and it's trying to do. But, once it gets over here, what can happen? We'll have to wait and see. If it can really, if this bullish momentum continues, it can possibly break it and we could see higher prices. But if we get over there and then, we start, seeing signs of weakness, meaning the bulls are struggling to push up prices higher, then that would signify the bears are still dominating the market overall. So that's how I'm looking at PayPal on the daily and weekly charts, and I'll give you guys an update this week, Saturday, most likely. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.